Noble nature, avec autant de qualités, talent d'amour, déjà ici reconnu par mon cœur et celui de plusieurs au travers le monde, je te souhaite de plus en plus que les gens qui te côtoient puissent te dire pourquoi ils t'aiment, pourquoi ils t'apprécient. Et toi de même, que tu peux à ton tour prendre le temps, de ton si précieux temps de vie, pour leur dire pourquoi tu les aimes, pourquoi tu les apprécies. Plusieurs nobles natures autour de moi me posent la question: pourquoi Gilles Pelletier, tu portes ces correctifs, des petites patchs sur ta tête? Je leur ai dit que ça avait été découvert par une noble nature avec aucune qualité, de talent d'amour, déjà ici reconnu par mon cœur et celui de plusieurs à travers le monde, comme tu vas pouvoir le constater dans l'annonce qui va être faite de ce que je te partage. Qui a œuvré à favoriser, lui, sa recherche, c'est d'aider à favoriser la paix dans le monde par des innovations, parce que c'est un créatif. C'est un inventeur qui a plus de 200 brevets à son actif. Et je sais que mon expression est imparfaite. Mon intention au niveau du cœur, pour chacun et chacune d'entre vous, est plus que parfaite. Alors, je vous invite à prendre de votre précieux temps de vie pour écouter ce qui suit et de prendre le temps par la suite qu'on puisse échanger ensemble. Je suis un fier partenaire de LifeWave. Merci.
Awaited premiere of Code of Creation, and I'll tell you, I am so grateful to be part of this LifeWave family. The messages that I've received online from many of you are just so heartfelt and sincere and authentic, and the work that you're doing in the world during these dark times to light up the world and share the light is no small thing. I am deeply grateful for the job that I get to do, to be an artist that gets to make work with an incredible crew of other artists who care about people in the world, and to know that our work is actually having an impact on the planet. It's such an honor to meet and interview the most extraordinary people on the planet. This is the job that I get to do. And I will tell you something. No one has reached me at a heart level like David Schmidt. A year and a half ago, I received a call from a very dear friend, and some of you know her, Miss Beamy, who's been a friend for about 20 years. And she called me in her beautiful southern accent and said, "Darling, have you heard of LifeWave?" And I said, I think so. It's the patch things, right? And she said, "Oh yeah, it's more than that. And I think it's time they make a movie. And I want you to meet with the founder, that's how she said it." And I hesitated to be perfectly authentic with you all, because I thought, isn't that a network marketing thing? I don't know if that's a good career move for me. And she said, "Darling, when you meet David Schmidt, and you understand that this man is on a mission from God, you're going to love him. I know you, and you're going to love him." And Beamy was not lying. It has been such an absolute honor, privilege, and pleasure to work with you, my brother, every step of the way. I have never made a movie with someone, about someone, that was so humble in allowing and trusting us to tell his story, ever. This man walks the talk in every way, and everything that came out of his mouth during interviews and every meeting that we had over the past year plus was about being in service to God and humanity. And through this production, I will tell you, after 5 years of exposing corruption in the world, this film was medicine for me and my crew. It was a reminder of what really matters beyond the darkness is this emergence of light that all of you are rebirthing in the world. And it has actually changed my message as a filmmaker, as a storyteller, all of our message, because now everything we talk about is the need for us in these dark moments to shine brighter. To understand that everything that we need, everything that is required to light up this world was given to us by God. We don't need any synthetic remedies. We don't need technology in our bodies. We need the presence of each other, the love that we were born with, and the courage to share our light with the world, and no one is doing that more than LifeWave, so I'm deeply grateful to be part of this. Real quick before we bring our little special guest up here, I want to make sure that I thank my crew, and they're all sitting down right here. Tyler Lindsay, please stand up. Matthew Guthrie, Eric Felderhoff, Troy Ruff, Calvin Herpin plays young David in the movie. My incredible wife and producer, who I could do nothing with, Nadia Salamanca Willis.